Hey guys, Joice here. Welcome to my channel, and today we are gonna sew this really easy and fast top. I made this with the stretchy fabric, so I'll use the serger to stitch everything in place, and also I'll use this top with the stretchy fabric as my pattern. So let's start by folding the fabric in half and then placing the top in the fold with the folded fabric. I'll cut the sides, leaving half an inch of seam allowance. Now I'm gonna mark half of the measure of the armhole. I'll fold the top and then cut in a diagonal line until I reach that mark. Now I'll fold the top part and then connect the two dots with a straight line. I use this piece as a pattern, and then I'll cut 4 times the same pattern, 2 for the front and 2 for the back. I decided to make some larger stripes for this top, so I'll cut 2 squares of 4.5 inches by 13 inches long or 11 centimeters by 33 centimeters long. I'll fold them in half with the wrong side out, and then I'll stitch with the serger so I can close the straps. Because this is a really big strap, I can use my finger to bring the right side of the fabric out. I'll leave the seam line in the half of one side of the stripes, not on the sides. I'll take one of the 4 pieces of the fabric and then I'll leave the right side up. I'll place the stripes about 2 inches away from the side of the top. Then I'll place a second piece of the top with the right side of the fabric facing down. Be sure to pin the straps in place and then sew only this round part. It looks like this, and now we're gonna leave it that way and then place the other part of the top with the right side facing up. And do the same thing, place the straps about 2 inches away from the sides. And now place the last part of the top and also sew the round part. This is what we have so far. Now I'll open one part like that with the right side up, and then I'll place the right side down of the other part and pin and sew the sides. After stitching the sides, I'm gonna open and pull the right side out of the top. Now to finish the top, you can fold the hem and just stitch it, but I decided to add another piece of fabric, so my top is gonna be a little bit longer. I fold the fabric and then mark 10 centimeters or 4 inches, and then I cut in the same length as the top. I fold right sides together and then sew the side. I'll fold that in half, leaving the seams in the interior of the fabric. I'll put this folded part up and then I'll place the hem of the top with this stripe that I did, and then I'll pin it in place. So I made this top with the double fabric, so I have 2 parts in the front and 2 parts in the back. So this time that I'm pinning in the bottom, we have 4 layers of fabric, because this last stripe in the hem is folded in half. So we have 4 layers, and after pinning everything together, we are gonna stitch it in place and the top is done. And that is the final result. This is really easy and fast to make. I hope you guys try it. And if you like this video, please leave me a like down below. I'll see you all next week for more Sewing with Joyce. Bye!